up, my buttery biscuits? Welcome back to my channel. I got Roman in the house, and this has actually been one of our most requested videos, actually. Well, generally. By the way, we haven't had one single drink. He brought me Taco Bell right now, and that's all I had. Generally, you guys love videos of us together because we're just two fat, amazingly fun people. Well, today I'm going to be doing Roman's makeup, finally. Now, here's a little bit of a problem with that, is that this fool has, like, absolutely no eyelids. So this is why, okay, every time we're on live, like, everyone's like, oh, do his makeup, and I'm always like...
I can't.
Like...
Literally, I can't.
Like, he got, like, no room. Like, I would have to do, like, his drag makeup, and honestly, you guys, like, I don't know how to, like... I know how to cover brows, but I'm not good at it because I've never done drag, and I don't do, like, costume makeup or anything. So, I'm just gonna wing it today and just try my best, and, I'll make the most of it, okay?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
I don't know why now.
I'm like a little nervous because like I wish that I could do like, you know, some crazy shadow because that's obviously what I'm known for, especially in my Fat Bitch Friday looks, but that just ain't gonna happen with him right now. It ain't gonna happen. So anyways, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. If you are not new here, make sure you guys turn on your notifications so that way you guys get notified when I upload a new hot mess video. And make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up if you want Roman to recreate, I let you guys know this, recreate my FBF look every month. So he did my makeup a month ago, and low-key, that was so fun. He did it drunk, but then I was thinking, I came up with an idea to have him, because you know I told you guys I was going to do a Fat Bitch Friday look once a month on my YouTube channel. And I was thinking about how cool would it be to have him on here to recreate that look. Drunk every month. Give us a thumbs up if you guys like that. Yeah, that would be fun. Did I say week? No,
you said everyone.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't know why I heard you say weak. I don't know. I'm a little out of it right now. I'm tired. Anyways, let's jump into this video. Well, Roman ain't gonna jump because then the floor is gonna break. But
California about to detach.
So, I'm gonna start off with concealing his brows. Honestly, that's gonna be rough too. He needs to have his brows done. Honestly, I was gonna pluck them, but then I was like, you know what? That's just too much work. He has a lot of like hairs going down onto his lid where I would use shadow, but not shadow. Where I would pluck them normally. Wait, I had that backwards. Yeah, where I would put shadow. That's what I meant to say. So I'm just gonna conceal them today. So what I'm gonna do is act as if like, you know, let's say for example, he had a normal shape brow. Tilt your head back just a little bit. Yeah. So I'm gonna take the concealer literally. Hey, no, if you're gonna leave with your brows like that, just stay normal. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna take this right up there, and I'm gonna conceal it as if that's where his brows were. He has like no eyelid space, you guys, so he's challenging me. But you know what? We're gonna have fun with his blush. He has nice cheekbones. We're gonna have fun with his foundation because he has really nice skin. So the eyes are just gonna be not so prominent. Not so prominent.
That tickles so much.
This one looked like my butthole hairs. I'm not gonna really fill in his brows too much. I'm gonna do it like super soft because he has a very thick brow, thick as far as width, but not thick as in fullness.
Thick as voluptuous body.
Voluptuous. Where the hell? Okay.
Wait, am I allowed to open my eyes? Or is that gonna push that shit down?
No, you could. I mean, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just blending out the concealer right now. What are you saying ow for? Turn. There we go. Blending out the concealer.
Oh, get some blush, lipstick, and concealer.
Your favorite song? Target's done. No, relax your brow. This bitch always goes like this with his brows. It's like keep him down because he's trying to open up his little ass eyes. Okay, so not only do he got little eyes, but it's because he got big old cheeks. So it like. Yeah. So we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown. Turn this way. And like I said, we're just lightly gonna... I'm gonna fill in the front because he ain't got like no hair in the front.
You sound like that one guy, the dad from, what is it, the Wild Thornberries from Nickelodeon? Oh, smashing, darling.
I haven't seen that shit in forever.
The stupid little kid.
First of all, you're not supposed to look at yourself. Stop. There's supposed to be a reveal. Okay, you guys. What am I supposed to do for the shadow? I wish y'all was here in person because just what am I supposed to do?
Take a 2-minute poll.
Like, honestly, if I was doing someone's makeup like this at MAC, normally I just put on one crease shade and a lid shade, but like, I'm gonna be honest. Okay, first of all, I worked at MAC for 7 years. So just think of all the faces that I did in those 7 years, and I ain't never done someone's makeup with this small of eyes. So I'm a little sad about it, but you know what?
I'm not sad that you're saying that because it's the first time he's ever called me small.
Biggie Smalls.
Biggie.
Okay, we're just gonna have to
crane that bitch.
Yeah. I'm going in with the shade Chickadee from
Damn, I haven't heard Chickadee in like fucking 3
remember
years.
that tutorial?
Yes.
Oh my, Chickadee from oh my god, Makeup Geek.
Damn, I haven't heard Makeup Geek in like 3 years too.
Poor Makeup Geek. She was like the original. Okay, that's not too bad. I just gotta lift up his eye like real crazy.
Lift up that fat under my. Are you gonna give me a wing?
Definitely not.
Okay.
You have. I'm not putting liner on the top.
We know damn well I can't fly.
Stupid. I believe I can.
I was gonna say R. Kelly fly, but
I literally was telling him he needs to watch that damn. Have you guys seen Surviving R. Kelly? That fool is a monster. Like literally, he's disgusting. And stop listening to his music, okay? He's gross.
I honestly can't though.
Can't listen to his music?
No, I can't stop. Well, I mean, I only like that one song with T.I. and what's it called? I'm a Flirt. I don't even like his part.
Yeah?
It's kind of shitty.
I like Ignition.
Oh god, that was the shit.
That was back in the day. There's no remix to Ignition.
Was it high
Hot
school?
and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in here wishing.
Sipping on coke and rum.
I'm like, so what? I'm drunk. It's a freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have me some fun. Okay, we need to stop. See, it's okay. In the documentary, if you guys watch the documentary, people say it's really hard to let go of music because music holds so many memories, and that's so true. But let me tell you, I did have his music on my Apple Music and I took that shit off because no, we're not supporting him even though we just sang his song. So I'm gonna take this other shade by Makeup Geek as well. Do you have nails? Oh, never mind, I got it. Let's see, called Wildfire. And I'm going to pop this on his non-existent eyelid. Like shake your body, don't stop, don't miss, just do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it now. Okay, so for this part, he's going to die, literally. So, hold on, I'm gonna guide your head like this. Look up. Well, no, bitch. Keep your head here and with your eye, there you go. And, yeah, don't, just pretend you're at the doctor. It's real fast. Okay, it's a brown.
I'm crying.
Oh my god, he's literally crying already. Oh my, he's literally, bitch, blink. You know what they say? Lick the top of your mouth. Lick the roof of your mouth. We didn't need a visual like that. Okay, then I'm gonna be taking the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. He has nice skin, so I think that this would be pretty good for him because I like this foundation, but for me, sometimes it's not enough coverage because I'm so red, but he don't really have too much discoloration or anything like that. Okay, so the more I thought about it, the more I'm like, okay, his eyeshadow, like, you can't see anything. I mean, like, okay, you guys, I'm not gonna see anything anyways, but I'm gonna try to darken it up a little bit. So I'm gonna take Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek on this brush that we shall not name. And I'm gonna try to deepen it up just a little bit, but you ain't gonna really see much. Cause I'm gonna deepen it up where he would open his eye. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the orange. But damn bitch, you dying? You dying?
No.
I'm gonna make the orange more bright too, cause you know what? We gotta try something to get it to pop more. Turn this way a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a brighter orange. Or I'm gonna go in with poppy. We're gonna take a little bit of poppy to brighten it up. Okay, but Chickadee and Cocoa Bear mixed together, you guys, if you guys have Makeup Geek, that shit's bomb. It makes like a really pretty shade. Okay, so we got the eyeshadow looking a little bit brighter. Oh my god, I need to stop.
Stop!
At nighttime, I have multiple personalities. I swear it's like, I'm like the old lady from The Visit or whatever. What is it, sundowning? I'm a sundowner. Cause, turn this way. My personalities come out. I can't help it. So, you know what I figured that we're going to do? Since I can't make his eyes stand out so much, I'm gonna play up the skin. And I'm gonna just go ham on the skin and highlight and blush and contour and all that shit. Alright, so now it's time to go in with the concealer right here. Go ahead and look up. And I'm just gonna take this.
I got it right this time.
He got it this time. We're going to just go in with this CoverGirl concealer, which you guys know this has been my recent favorite. I love this concealer. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer right down his nose, a little bit on the forehead, a little bit on the forechins, down here. Okay. You know what's so funny, you guys, is Roman over here. Let me tell you, as soon as the camera's off, he is an asshole. But when I'm on camera, I sit here and I joke around with him as if the camera's not here. But he knows. He sits here and he just acts like he don't talk shit about me. And whenever I crack a joke, I end up feeling bad because you guys probably watch this video and you're like, oh my god, Tim's an asshole, and he makes jokes. And then as soon as the camera goes off, he...
I know, I feel it.
Oh my god.
I feel
it. No, no. Guys, this is how hooded his eye is. His eye literally picked up concealer from down here and put it up onto his lid. Damn. You know what? On him, I'm going to use the CoverGirl powder that I hate so much. Because I'm too poor and I can't use my expensive one on him. So let me grab that. Okay, so this is the CoverGirl True Blend Minerals powder. This is the powder that I hate the most. Huh? No, I'm gonna put powder. I hate this powder so much, you guys. Like
Why?
It's dry as f. It just sticks to one spot. It doesn't move. Maybe it's like really good for like extremely oily skin, but like for me, it's a no-go. You guys saw me use this on my CoverGirl video and I was like, hell no.
What's your problem?
You want me to really tell you my problems?
Do we have enough time?
Okay. No. Then I'm going to be taking this concealer palette and I'm going to be taking NC40.
And blush? Lipstick and concealer?
Oh, you're so stupid. I was like, did I say blush? Oh my god, I just ruined this whole palette. Go ahead and look straight at them. So, since he has nice cheekbones, we're going to play up these cheekbones. It's going to be the feature of this whole tutorial. Look at him jiggle.
You've been waiting to do this for years. I know.
Oh shit.
Here he goes, just so you can watch my turkey neck gobble.
Oh shit. Okay, my fat ass is sweating like a whore in church, so I had to turn on the air. Sorry you guys are hearing the air right now. But I'm gonna just contour his nose real fast with a little bit of Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC. Your nose looks like Khloe Kardashian's. No! This bitch keeps on trying to look. You remember when Khloe Kardashian got like a really tore up nose contour? That's what this looks like. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. I'm gonna be taking, oh sorry. Makeup Forever 13. I'm just jumping into the lipstick before the highlight and stuff just because I want him to wear the lipstick for as long as possible so he knows the discomfort of this reaction. Okay, bitch, you better stay very still. No, close your lips. And I'm just doing this straight. I don't want to use a lip liner. I'm too lazy. So why are you jiggling your lips?
I didn't mean to.
You say, look Stop it, Bobby Boucher. I swear he's over here. Don't jiggle. He is so, I don't know what's wrong with him, but he's like this. Like, no. Stop!
I'm not. You're like anything.
Yes, you are. You're like moving it towards where I'm at. Hey, look at that. That's a nice color. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and...
I can't scratch.
Nope. Oh, highlighter time. We're gonna put on some highlighter right now. Mama's gonna knock you out. I am gonna, you know what? Because Roman is fancy. I'm gonna take the Rihanna, the Kilowatt Hustler Baby. The Hustler Baby. Shablam. All right, go ahead and look towards them. We're gonna highlight the hell out of him. He's gonna be shablamming right now. Okay, now because he has very strong cheekbones and I put a lot of highlight on, you don't want to leave it looking just, wait, turn there. You don't want to leave it looking just like that. So what I like to do is go back in with a little bit of blush to blend that together. So I'm going to just go ahead and put this right on top of where the highlight and the blush meet. And buff, 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 buff. Okay, we're going to go in with the lashes now. These are just some bootleg ones. Just look down. Bitch, turn your head this way. Look down. Oh, this is going to be hard. Okay. That's simple.
I think it got stuck.
Where?
It's not stuck?
No.
It just feels weird?
For a little bit. I mean, I wouldn't know. I don't wear fake lashes, honestly, so I never have. These are real.
You lying sack of shit? You lying sack of shit?
It's mascara, bitch. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Give him a little peep. Okay, turn to the right, turn to the right. No, bitch, that's your left. Fuck. And tilt back. Let him look at the eye. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Low key, I don't know. Maybe I'm being biased, but I feel like it looks pretty good. But let's see.
Let's see.
What you think?
It's not bad, actually.
Right?
Look at my flawless skin.
No, his skin really does look good. And you know what, though? I feel like I low-key turned it out for his eyes. Like, let him look at the eyes again. For him having such little eyes, like, that looked pretty good. That's why I gave him a bold lip, because he needed a bold lip because his eyes are so small, you know? So, what you think?
This thing looks really good. About to get you out the way because all your followers, man's gonna be in my DM now.
You can't push me, bitch. I'm too fat.
This bitch really here to stay.
Yeah, I sure am.
Can't get him out the way.
He tried to say that all your men's gonna be in his DMs. No, they in mine. They in mine. We gonna have a snap off. A snap off.
I can't do this one, so.
Shablam. All right, you guys, let us know down in the comments below what you think about his makeup. I don't know, like, honestly, like, maybe I'm just being biased, but I feel like it looks pretty good. Oh, snap. Stupid ass. All right, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys go show Roman some love on Instagram. And you guys better let us know what you think down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in our next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.